Hey there, everyone. My name is Brandon Gentili, and I'm an IT analyst here at ProValTech. Today, I'd like to go over how to create a ticket using scripting in CWRMM. Now, this is a relatively new feature and a really cool one because it allows us to get a little bit more information out of our tickets than the ones that we get with custom monitors. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe so you never miss out on another one. With that being said, let's get into it. So you'll see here that I've already created our example, create ticket PowerShell version. This is a script editor script that is going to check the PowerShell version on a user's machine. And then depending on what the output is, we're going to generate the ticket. So let's dive in. Nothing too fancy over here. The first thing I did was I put in a PowerShell script that is going to look for the version on the machine, compare it to the latest PowerShell release on GitHub, and then give me some output. So it's either going to be you are using the latest version or what their current version is and what the latest version is and recommend updating. Then I added in some logic here, some if else. So if the output contains the latest version is, that lets us know that we're using old version. We're going to create a ticket. And this is as simple as going to the function in add row, typing in create ticket, and this little window will pop up. You can give it a subject. And then here's where the real cool part is. You can take this percent output percent, and if you don't know what that does, that takes whatever the output from the PowerShell above was and displays that to the console. So if you take some really intense PowerShell, that's going to give you a lot of information. You can get that information in your ticket, which is super useful. And then obviously we set the priority for low because PowerShell version maybe is not super high for some people. That's not critical. If the version is on its most current version, then the script is going to tell us that and just exit, a ticket won't be generated. So I already ran this on one of my coworkers' machines who I know currently does not have the latest version of PowerShell. And we'll see that here. You can see where I ran it a couple times to make sure it was doing exactly what I wanted. And we see that our script succeeded. Your current version of PowerShell is 5.1. etc. That was part of the output that would generate the ticket. That's what we're looking for. And then sure enough, if we go over to our ticket console, I've already got the ticket pulled up. Current version of PowerShell is that 5.1. The latest version is consider updating. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you can use that percent output percent from your PowerShell to get a little bit more information from these tickets this way. Super powerful tool. Not a lot of people might know about this. It did just come out in November, so I want to make sure that you guys are all updated and getting the most out of your tickets. Thank you so much for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge. Let us know if there's something else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, post in the comments below, and maybe your suggestions will make it into a future video. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.